Okay, good morning guys. It's me again. Okay, I'm gonna cook pork chop with mushroom. Okay, we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, pork cubes, flour, butter. Butter. I forgot the butter. It's still in the refrigerator. Okay, mushroom. We have sliced and whole mushroom. And then this one, the pork chop, I marinated with salt, or I add salt and black pepper, and then garlic, onions, bell pepper, water. Fry the pork chop first, okay? With 2 by 2 lang. Okay guys. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so the pork chop is done, okay? Okay guys, all the oil, so much oil guys. And the butter. Okay guys, butter. Garlic. Then the onion. Okay, and now we're gonna add the flour. And now pork cubes guys. That one. A little water more guys, because it's a little salt. Okay. Guys, we add a mushroom. Guys, look at them guys. I'm going to add the oyster sauce guys. Pork chop. And then we're gonna cover it first guys. Okay, and we'll be right back. Guys, so look at that one. That's our pork chop with mushroom. It's done guys. It's done. Okay guys, so the sauce. Okay, it's yummy already. And now I'm gonna taste the meat. I just want to taste if it's tasty or not. Okay, this one lang. This one here. Already guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one. Guys, it's yummy. Okay, so it's done. So I'm going to garnish with the bell pepper and then another mushroom. Because this is, I'm gonna off the heat now, because this is pork chop with mushroom. Okay guys, so that's our pork chop with mushroom. It's very yummy and it's very tasty. Thank you for watching guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. Pork chop with mushroom.